It's a victorious superb Sunday 2024 and it's a grand finale of the Josh Pool Jubilant June 2024. And what a grand finale! India has become a World T20 champion 2024 after 17 years. Second title India have won. And what a greatest grand finale of the Josh Pool Jubilant June 2024. And it's a lifetime achievement. India won the closest and thrilling final at Barbados against the superb South Africa, and it's a 7 runs victory has come. So the celebration is again starting on the second consecutive victorious day, and I have a sits once again a royal bestie I have, and I would like to share in front of your screen. And this is the delicious Emmy cake, we can say. So I would like to again, I am gonna to be taken. Oh, it's so yummy. It's a victorious feeling, we can say. So let's come to the point. India have achieved a lifetime achievement, we can say, and it has come after a long wait. So we will discuss here five main points of this victory. What's the achievement in this biggest final, and India have not repeated the mistake which had committed in the last T20 World Cup as well as in 50 over World Cup. So the first and very royal and very rare cricket India have played, aggressive brand of cricket India have played. And second, any player, any particular player India had not depended. All the key players have performed, whether it is Rohit starting from the game one, our bowlers, especially the pacers, has done a greatest job, and our fielding has been improved in this ICC World T20. And then our spinners in the main phase of the West Indies in Super 8, our spinners, especially Kuldeep Yadav, has done a really good job. And it's a superb catch by Taken Surya, and it's not a catch, it's also our match, because last time when Srishant has taken the catch against the Pakistan, it has been a greatest catch. And lastly, Jasprit Bumrah has been a phenomenal. He declared the player of the series, taken a 15 wickets when India needed 2 wicket. Rohit Sharma always goes to the Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah, and Jasprit Bumrah has delivered every time. Look the final when Klaasen has hit 24 runs and just run a ball needed, 26 run needed. Jasprit has come and bowled really well. Just 18 runs given in the 4 overs quota and taken a 2 wickets. So it has been a greatest journey since 5th June to 29th June, and the red letter day has been written auspicious 29th June 2024. And we were just waiting and waiting, and when India beat the England in the semi-final, we were expecting in final definitely we will win, but South Africa has given a greatest fight till the end of the game. And it was the remarkable catch, attractive catch taken by the Suryakumar Yadav, and then India won and India lifted the World Cup. Look the reaction of the Rahul Dravid, his last day of his, and it's a greatest farewell as a coach and as a player in West Indies 2007. It's a worst memory, but it's turned into the greatest and lifetime achievement memory. As a coach in under 19 in 2018, India won the World Cup under the captaincy of Prithvi Shaw, and here in 2024 under the captaincy of Rohit Sharma, he has won a World Cup for him, and definitely it's a greatest journey as a coach since 2021 to 2024. India have reached three times in final. First World Test Championship, then ICC World Cup 50 overs final, and here in ICC Men's T20 World Cup final, and India have won. So it's a greatest journey as a coach of Rahul Dravid ending, and also including Rohit and Virat has also declared the retirement from the T20 internationals. I will talk about on this point later on. And then Ravindra Jadeja also retires from T20 international. So back to back three retirements has announced, no doubt about that. The next World Cup, which will be held in 2026 in India and Sri Lanka, we will see a new era of Indian cricket in especially T20 format. So this is the achievement, this is the victorious night, and India has won a second title of this World T20 24. So these are the key moments, and India grabbed the key moments, and India achieved the greatest one. So it's once again celebration time, but the challenge is not yet over. The next challenge is Zimbabwe tour. It is starting from 6 July to 2024, and the new young team leading by, you can say, Suman Gill, who has not taken a chance. So his captaincy will be also testing, and let's see what will happen. But it's a victorious day. Enjoy this victorious whole time journey and lifetime achievement, memorable moments, and so many good things has to come with this World Cup. And forget whatever the sorrow and pain in your life, just enjoy with this victorious night, and with victorious memorable moments as well. So thank you once again in order to receiving my statements speech, and it's a very special video I am making to you. So once again, if you missed my all videos which are memorable for a ICC winning moments 2024, subscribe as well and enjoy this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day and good night to you.